Good morning, everyone. My boiler is out. I have the heaters on to stay warm, but I wanted to come outside and see what it looks outside of my apartment, and we definitely have 2 feet of snow. It's still snowing, obviously, and we're supposed to have about 8 to 10 more inches of snow. The car, literally this car is almost covered in snow. It's bad. This is worse than the last one, but I'm gonna take myself inside. Everyone stay warm, stay hydrated, make sure you are checking your carbon monoxide also, just in case you're using those heaters on the inside and the stoves, whatever, but be safe. I'll talk to you guys later.